Hello guys, welcome back. Today I bring a new content and this is about a self-balancing robot. This robot can balance in only 2 wheels. Looks interesting, right? So let's make it. And before starting the video, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. We are too close to 500 subscribers and I am sure you guys will do it within this month. So let's start.
You did me dirty the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye.
First of all, you need Arduino Nano, A4988 stepper motor driver, MPU 6050 gyro sensor, a Bluetooth module, NEMA 17 stepper motor, L channel bracket, and you need 2 wheels, 4 pieces of M5 rod and some nuts. We need 3 pieces of acrylic sheet. You can see I have taken 3 pieces. I drilled these holes for fitting M5 rod and L channel bracket. Now I am placing the L channel bracket according to the hole position. Tighten the screw properly. This is how I fitted the L channel bracket with screw. Now fit the stepper motor in the L channel bracket and tighten it properly. You can see I have fitted 2 stepper motor in both the side. Now placing the M5 rod at the side holes. After tightening with screw, it will be look like this. You can see I have placed the middle section and tighten it with the screw. It is the circuit diagram and it is given in the description below. Now I am placing the component on the PCB board according to the circuit diagram. And now soldering all the components properly. Now the circuit part is done and after soldering it will be look like this. Now placing the components again. You can see I have placed all the components according to the circuit diagram. and I have placed the circuit at the middle section. And the batteries at the base section. Search balancing Wii in the Google. Open the first site and download the zip file. This is the code of this robot. Open the code in the Arduino IDE, then select config.h. Make sure the baud rate of your Bluetooth module is 115200, otherwise it will not work properly. Then select the port and upload the code. So the coding part is done. Now open the Play Store and install this app. I have already installed it. Then open this app. Go to Settings and select the Bluetooth device of this robot. Click on Next and select Multi-Wii 2.40. Then click Next. Again click Next. Now click the Connect button and it will be connected to your robot. Now click aux and select the button according to this. Then click PID and set the exact value according to this. And then click calibration and calibrate the robot. Place your robot on a flat surface. Wait for some second, it will calibrate automatically. So the configuration part is done. Click Advanced, then Untested and click Model Control and control through joystick. Now attach the wheels on both sides and tighten it properly. This is the normal mode where the robot balances itself. You can see I push the robot but it is not falling down and it maintains a balance properly. Now switching to position hold mode. Whenever I move the robot, it comes back to its original position. This is the position hold mode. This robot can also be controlled through joystick. As you can see, I am controlling through it with joystick. You can see the movement of the robot through this app. So friends, how's the video? Comment down below and click the like button and subscribe to our channel and support us. You can see it can balance a bottle and it not falling down, balancing perfectly. It's looking very nice, right? And it also can move with this bottle without falling down. It can also stand in the slope, balancing perfectly without falling down. So today up to this. So give a like if you enjoyed the video, and bye bye until the next video.